Today, we live in a time when as soon as something breaks, we throw it away and buy a new one.
And even when we want to repair it, we often just don't know how anymore.
Our elders and senior citizen scientists grew up in a time when you kept things for a long period of time. They learned how to tinker, to sew, to repair, and they still have those skills today. So we thought, what if we gave them a real role in helping us pass these skills on to younger generation?
That's how Intergenerational Circularity was born, a project founded by the European Union and launched here in south of France in Nice. The idea is simple. Create moments where seniors and young people can meet, investigate together why these skills are disappearing, and imagine the best ways to keep knowledge flowing between generations.
To do this, we recruited citizen scientists, young adults aged between 18 and 35, and senior citizens over 65. They helped us share survey and conduct interviews all over Nice. Together, we interviewed over 130 people.
And here's what we found. First, young people mainly want to learn how to repair digital devices up to 46%. They want also to repair everyday objects up to 41% and clothing up to 38%.
And the good news is a large majority said they would like to learn from seniors, and 77% of seniors are also willing to pass on their skills. Seniors talk to us about habit, education, and the pleasure they found in circular skills, while young people want to learn for the satisfaction of doing things themselves, to keep their belongings longer, and to save money.
So the big question is, how can we make this transfer of skills easier? We discussed it together during collaborative workshops with our volunteer researchers. And here are a few ideas that came out of it. First, organize weekly skill sharing sessions in senior residences. Second, create an online platform connecting young people and seniors to encourage in-person learning. Also, set up stands and workshops in public spaces like markets, campus, universities, and libraries. And also promote skills sharing within families during events like Christmas and birthdays. All of this aim to rebuild human and intergenerational connection because ultimately, learning to repair together also means learning to understand each other. And here's what one of our senior volunteers shared with us. The surveys and workshops created a friendly atmosphere, sparked new positive ideas, and showed that there is something worth doing and that we should not give up. So let's keep going.
So what's next? We will share our results with other organizations and replicate the project in other cities across Europe. This project would not have been feasible without the support and mentorship of the European Union and Impetus program, and of course without the help of our amazing citizen scientists. So a huge thank you to everyone for participating.